This video is for my curly girlies who are asking if they can use heat on their hair between treatments. My general answer is no. If you are a straight natural, then obviously yes, because that's how you're getting your hair straight. But if you are coming into smooth and your goal was to try to start learning and working and rejuvenating your curls, getting back to wearing your curls, embracing your curls, maybe coming out of braided styles, protective style, any heat at all could really affect how your curls are. Like literally one round of bad heat, one pass of a flat iron that's too hot that you do at home will ruin an area of curl. So we strongly advise, our usual advice is no heat. Now that's going to be a case-by-case basis. If your curls can handle it, and if you're like, oh, I'm already using heat, my curls are great, then that's you. But it is our general rule of thumb that we do not recommend heat between treatments with us, and the only heat we recommend is when we do the heat on you to activate your treatment. So if you are a curly girly and you're wanting to go between curls and straight natural, just understand that that's going to affect your curl pattern, likely elongate your curls more, and likely not in a way that's uniform. We try to have the treatments elongate your curls in a very uniform way where everything looks cohesive. But if you're flat ironing the shit out of your hair between appointments with us, we have no control of that, and so we strongly advise against it. But it will be more of an enter at your own risk if you do decide to go ahead and flat iron your hair between appointments with us. We're seeing girls come in with just certain spots that are straight and that we know we didn't cause, and we know that it's likely something you're doing at home. So we just want to really strongly, just adamantly put that out there. Our goal, if your goal is to embrace your curls, our goal is always going to be to do our best to do that, and we can't do that if you're using heat in between appointments. So don't do it. Don't do it.